As a second-time mom, there is one mistake I will not be making again, and that's not prepping my flour for childbirth. That's why I got this Perimom Pre and Postpartum Prep Kit that comes with the most unique and versatile Peri bottle for after delivery. The Perimom Perineal Massager helps to stretch the tissues of your flour to prepare it for birth. It's an amazingly comfortable arm extender that basically allows you to effectively reach the correct area at the perfect angle every time. The kit comes with specially formulated almond oil, which will help everything go smoothly down there and eliminate any discomfort during the massage. The almond oil also has an easy pump for a mess-free experience. The Peri bottle is the best one I've seen. Not only does it shoot upwards so you don't find yourself in awkward positions when you need to spritz, but its tip is also removable. Unlike other bottles, you can wash it and see for yourself it's clean on the inside. Perimom has thought of everything, and I am so much more at ease knowing how prepared I am for baby number 2 with this kit. Get it because you're gonna want this kit on your team, and you and your flour can thank me later.